Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell and today we're going to learn a trending TikTok dance to Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter. This dance is short, it's just about 3/8 counts. It's not my choreography, it's just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves step by step. We're going to use a lot of repetition. We're going to have a lot of fun. There is not going to be any music in this video though, it's going to be the tutorial only. When you're ready to practice it with music, or if you want to see what this little dance looks like with music, you can find a separate video link down in the description below or up here in this card. I also want to mention that this version of the dance is actually to a sped up version of Espresso, but in that other video where I dance it with music, I'll do it both at the regular tempo and with the sped up version, so you can choose which one works best for you. So when you're ready to practice with music, go check out that other video link. All right, here we go, let's dance. Our first 8 count, where we're gonna start on the count of 2 actually. So you're holding 1, on 2, we're gonna think, so point to your brain, and then point to yourself. Thinking about me. That's on 2, 3, on 4, 5, we're gonna sleep, we're gonna take a little nap. So you're gonna go to the right and then to the left. So we're going 2, 3, 4, 5. On 6, you're gonna just bring your hands down here to your thighs. So those are our first 6 counts. Remember, you're gonna hold that first count. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1. Go point, point, sleep, sleep, down. From here, you're gonna step on your left foot forward, and you're gonna kind of take your hips around, pushing them forward to the left. So you're gonna go 7, 8, and we're gonna start to spin all the way around. The left hand's just gonna come across your waist or your front, and this hand's kind of wiping across your mouth. So that's 7, 8. Then you're gonna just finish your turn on 1, 2. We're going into the next 8 count. 1, 2, to spin yourself all the way around. So your hip, your left hip is taking you forward, and then you're just finishing that spin around. And as you finish, you can take your hands up through your hair if you want, or just up and around, whatever you want to do on 1, 2. So don't worry, we're gonna do it again. This was 6. You're gonna step out on that left foot. 7, 8, spin yourself around, 1, 2. Try it again. So this was 6, we're gonna go forward on your left. Right hand to your mouth, left hand across. This is 7, 8, 1, 2. Woo, from the top, you're gonna hold 1, this hair, point 2, 3, sleep, 4, 5, down, 6, step forward, 7, 8, spin around, 1, 2. Try it again. Hold 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1. Point 2, 3. Sleep. 4, 5. Hands down. 6. Turn. 7, 8. 1, 2. Great job. So our second 8 count, we already learned the 1, 2. We unwound back to the front. On 3, 4, you're going to sleep again. This time we're going to do 2 counts as we sleep. So we're going to bounce, and then you're going to point to yourself again, and we're going to bounce. So the first time we pointed and then we slept. This time we're sleeping and then we're pointing. And we're just doing 1 of each, but 2 bounces. 3, 4, 5, 6. So you unwind on 1, 2, sleep. 3, 4.5, 6. On 7, we're gonna drink our espresso. So take your left hand flat, right hand, elbow is on that hand. We're drinking our glass here. This is 7. You're gonna take a little drink on and 8. I'm gonna pop that right knee up, and 8, and then I'm gonna do a little nod on and 1. So this is 7 and 8 and 1. And you can put this, I don't know why I'm holding it up so high, you can put it down a little. 7 and 8 and 1. Drink your espresso. 7 and 8 and 1. 7 and drink and nod. So hands come up. 7 and drink and nod. Yeah? clear, super clear. So we slept on 3, 4, we point, 5, 6, you step out and drink your espresso, 7 and 8 and 1. Woo, back to the top, holding 1, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, point 2, 3, sleep 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, unwind 1, 2, sleep 3, 4.5, 6, drink 7 and 8 and 1. Yeah, let's do all that again. So we're gonna point, point. It's much faster, but don't worry. We gotta go slow before we can speed it up. So from the top, we're gonna point on 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, point 2, 3, sleep 4, 5, hands 6, around 7, 8, unwind 1, 2, sleep 3, 4.5, 6, drink 7 and 8 and 1. Great job. Our third 8 count, we already did the and 1, so this was 7 and 8 and 1. You're gonna take your hands forward and turn to the front on 2, and then on 3, you're gonna pull them back and push your hips forward. And if you wanna do a little step to get in that, you can. So this will be and 1, 2, 3. So you can even step into both of these. A little boop, 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 boop. That's the technical term for it. Boop, 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 boop. So this was 7, it's a TikTok dance, y'all. We're just having fun here. This is 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. On 4 and 5, we're gonna take it to the left, right. So your hands are gonna come to your hips. You're gonna swing your hips to the left, right, and then as you go to the left, you're gonna bring this right foot together. Left, right, you can just bring it in, or you can kind of kick it up, whatever feels better to you. 4 and 5. Left, right, left. Really pop those hips. Left, right, left. Yeah? So back to here. This was 7 and 8. We're gonna nod. And 1, forward. 2, back, 3, hips, left, right, left. On 6, we're gonna step to the right. As you do, you're gonna take your left arm and dip that shoulder forward. So the arm comes down, and then you're just pulling the left shoulder forward as you step on 6. On 7, you're just gonna bring your left foot to your right, and we're gonna take your fingers and point right, left, right, left, right. So we're doing 5 little finger points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, left, right, left, right. The counts are 7 and 8 and 1. And as you do that, so you're stepping your left foot to your right, you're taking it over to your left, 7, and then they're gonna, you know, like move this way. What's that called? Like playing a piano. 7 and 8 and 1. You wanna finish up here. So we go low and then up. And if you wanna think about pushing your hips back to the right and around, so in opposition of the way your arms are going. 7 and 8 and 1. 7 and 8 and 1. Woo! So, this is fun, right? We were here. You did and 8 and 1. We go forward. 2, back, 3, hips. 4 and 5. You're gonna step right, left shoulder goes. 6. Step your feet together and point. 7 and 8 and 1. We're gonna finish it. There's just 2 more counts. You're gonna bring hands back to your thighs. 2. You're gonna sleep on 3. And that's it. It finishes on a 3. If you wanna keep dancing after this, you can, but that's where the official dance ends. The official TikTok dance. 7 and 8 and 1. Hands go back to your thighs. 2. 1 more little sleep. 3. I'm losing my mind, y'all. Okay, let's do this 8 count again. So this was 7 and 8 and 1. Forward 2. Back 3. Hips, left, right, left, step right, left, shoulder, point. Right, left, right, left, right, down, sleep. Yeah, great job. All right, we're gonna do that last 8 count again. From here, we're just gonna nod our head on and 1. Forward 2. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we nod. And 1. Forward 2. Back 3. Hips 4 and 5. Shoulder 6. Point 7 and 8 and 1. Down 2. Sleep 3. Very, very nice. Let's go back to the top. All right, nice and slow from the top. We're gonna start with that double point. We hold 1, start dancing on the count of 2. You got it. 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1. We point 2, point 3, sleep 4, 5, hands down, 6, hip 7, 8, unwind 1, 2, sleep 3, 4.5, 6, drink 7 and 8 and 1, forward 2, back 3, hips 4 and 5, shoulder 6, point 7 and 8 and 1, hands down, 2, sleep 3. Woo, great job. We're gonna do it again. We'll go a little bit faster. Here we go. 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1. Go 2, 3. Sleep 4, 5. Hands 6. Hips 7, 8. Unwind 1, 2. Sleep 3, 4.5. 6, drink 7 and 8 and 1. Front 2, 3, 4 and 5. Shoulder 6.7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Great job. My brain glitched a little on that time. Let's go a little bit faster. Are you ready? If you don't know, you can dance this with the regular tempo of the song, but it's actually danced to a sped up version, so it's even faster. But let's go just a little bit faster. Let's go 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Hold 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 6, 7, 8. Around 1, 2. Sleep 3, 4.5. 6, drink 7 and 8 and 1. Forward 2, 3. Hips 4 and 5. 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, great job. All right, we're gonna do it one more time, even faster, because I'm pretty sure it's faster with the sped up version. Hold 1, start it on 2. You got it. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3. Sleep 4, 5. Down 6, 7, 8. Unwind 1, 2. Sleep 3, 4.5. 6, drink 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Hips 4 and 5. 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Great job. And that was it. Fantastic job. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, it's a TikTok dance. It's supposed to be fun. It's just supposed to get you up and moving. If you were moving, then you were doing it right. You can't mess it up. Seriously. Seriously, you cannot mess it up. It's just for fun. When you're ready to try it with music, remember it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below, so go check that out whenever you're ready. If you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, thank you again for joining me. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day, and I hope we get to dance together again in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.